how to disable calls in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to disable calls in Facebook Messenger, whether they're audio or video. So if you're tired of those unexpected calls, this tutorial is for you. So first things first, what you have to do is go to your device settings and search for notifications and then tap on it. Here, find Messenger. So once you find Messenger, just tap on it. Make sure that the Messenger notification is toggled off. This will stop any pop ups, alert, or rings when someone tries to call you on Messenger. However, to completely disable, you have to go back and go to your apps and then search for Messenger again. Tap on it, and here you'll have to toggle off the microphone and the camera settings. So, once you've done that, this will prevent Messenger from using your microphone, which means you won't receive any audio calls. And you have also toggled off the camera, so the video calls will also be prevented. It's as simple as that. Now you have successfully disabled all the call functionalities in Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.